According to Bangladesh Meteorological Department, 6 mm of rain was recorded in Dhaka from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Besides, 19 mm of rain was recorded in the last 24 hours till 6 a.m. to state meteorological service. Many street lamps and pylons in the capital went under and deep water. People, mainly office goers and others going out, face waterlogging and traffic jam in the morning. MD Ashraf, operation manager of Ali Poriban, said Mirpur 10 to Golchakka, Sharapara, Kajipara, part of Begum Rokia Sharoni, Agargua crossing, Bijay Sharoni crossing, Kalabagan and Asad Gate have been inundated. Shantinagar Mocha crossing Kakrail also witnessed the similar situation, said Traffic Inspector MD Asad, who was on duty at Shantinagar. He said a number of vehicles remained stranded on different city streets due to waterlogging since morning. According to a mid-office media release, rain or thunder showers are likely to continue over the next 2 days. Light to moderate rain thunder showers accompanied by temporary gusty wind is likely to occur at most places over Rangpur, Moimansingh, Chattogram and Sylhet division, at many places over Rajshahi and Borishal division, and at a few places over Dhaka and Khulna division, with moderately heavy to heavy falls at places over the country. Due to active monsoon, all maritime ports of Bangladesh have been advised to hoist local culinary signal Nong 3.